Today we're going to be factoring quadratics. This is Dr. Esperanza and this is my math in a minute. In factoring quadratics, you need to know your multiplication table. So for the first example, factoring x squared plus 11x plus 24, we're going to find the factors of 24 that would give you 11 when you add them up. And those two integers would be 3 and 8 because 3 times 8 is 24 and 3 plus 8 is 11. And our factored form is x plus 3 times x plus 8. Now how about 6x squared plus 7x minus 3? In this case, we are going to multiply 6 and negative 3, and that would be the factors that we're going to be looking for that would equal to 7 when we add them up. And for this case, we're going to change our middle term from 7x into 9x minus 2x, so we can factor this by grouping. Factoring out the first group, we have GCF of 3x, and for the second group, we have a GCF of negative 1. So the factored form of the first group is 3x outside and 2x plus 3 inside, and on the second group, we're going to factor out a negative 1, so we will left with 2x plus 3. And now we have a big GCF of 2x plus 3 that we can factor out again, and we'll end up with 2x plus 3 times 3x minus 1. And by using this simple multiplication, we know that we have the correct factored form. So in factoring any polynomials, multiplication table is key. This is Dr. Esperanza, and this is my math in a minute. Bye!